My particular case, I had a situation where some of my payments for stock appreciation rights, they were stuck. So I was just pounding on the fact that what to do. I mean, do I just go for filing a case, or I can or this kind of a possibility where finally Jessica helped me even exists. So I had, a friend refer me to Wyrick in North Carolina, and there was a person there, a senior person who had referred me to Jessica, initially, and he told me, in all confidentiality, that Jessica is the person because he'd understood the case and the matter which I was, going through. I know I was financially getting, stuck. You can imagine, how we do our, financial budgets, working in a company, within your house, in a group, whatever. I mean, there is a lot of financial planning, which you do for your, personal expenses as well. Yeah. So, I mean, I was financially stuck. My financial planning went awry, absolutely. And that is when Jessica finally gave me some good hope where we were able to chalk out a solution, and there was a good path ahead. Let's do this, right? Yeah, I mean, in any disagreement, actual disagreement, the first thing which comes to your mind is that if one party is not abiding as per the rules of the contract or the terms of the contract. So, I mean, the first thing which is not very good, but the word dispute comes into your brain, right? I mean, somebody is not honoring the contract. Okay, there's a dispute. So after a dispute, what do? I mean, you just do, soft reminders, telling the party, I mean, this is, what we decided, I have certain commitments. So all that, all that was done nicely. And after that, of course, the mental frame of mind, which I had was understanding the complexities which can arise from this cross-border complexities on a daily basis, I'm saying. The solution, which Jessica shared with me about, this soft follow-up, the soft legal follow-up, sending notices, and this had not crossed my mind. Seriously speaking, when they shared the name of the company with me, I think it's some contract something. That's the website, at least. And I ran a Google search, for Jessica's name as well. And yeah, I mean, it was all great. You guys came highly recommended, but I was not able to find anything, against, my reflexes. Yeah, I had to call you guys. I contacted your firm through a web link, and there was a immediate confirmation that you guys will get back in 24 hours or maybe 48 hours. But I think I got a response in the first 2 or 4 hours. And the moment that happened, I think there was a name allocated to this particular task through an email. So I called up Lou, and excellent welcoming gesture, on a phone call, through somebody, Lou asked me a couple of very, very quick questions, not trying to, peel off a lot also, which I would have felt uncomfortable maybe, without signing any agreements or, whatever, what the case. I felt as a client, as a prospect that time rather, I felt very comfortable. I think that's a very good point actually. I felt good in a way that after my sort of reminder to this particular party, right? At least we've had another professional round of legal follow-up, done. So I felt good about this, so that now if I file something or do something, because this was not a person I didn't know. I mean, I worked with them for 14 years, right? So there is an emotion, there is a deep emotion, there's a connect and all that. So I didn't want to, I mean, I didn't do this to make them suffer, or, there was no bad intention, behind this. My only goal was, let's just stick to the contract. Let's just do what we, all agreed to. And that's all. So I think Jessica really helped me, professionally go through that layer, that now I feel, good that, we've crossed this, and, this could be the next logical, step. That's the outcome, we were able to get ultimately. It was a good amount of satisfaction, which I had. I mean, it was all done, in a way that, I felt good that, we've done it very, very professionally. And what we wanted to achieve was a yes or a no, right? I mean, yeah, simple.